Walgreens is so much cheaper than Walmart. Did you know you can grab $45 worth of products this week using only your phone? You're gonna pay $11 out of pocket, including taxes. That's insane. But that is how amazing it can be when you learn how to coupon and stack your deals the right way. So don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna break it down for you step by step, exactly what deals to do, your transactions, how to use your rewards, what you're gonna be earning back. Then I'm gonna break down the final costs for you as well, so you can feel confident to go to Walgreens and be able to do these deals. If you're new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. It's completely free, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the channel. One of my big goals ever since I started YouTube is to hit 100,000 followers, and I'm so close, so that would help me so much. When I look at my analytics, almost half of you guys who watch these videos are not yet subscribed, so just double check below. And in the description box, I provide a free printable breakdown. So click File, make a copy. You can edit the breakdown, arrange the deals however you want, add additional deals. Maybe you have some additional coupons or something. So you have a very simple breakdown so you can go to the store and be confident to do these deals. This is a very beginner friendly video for you guys. So let's pop into Walgreens and start taking advantage of insane deals to save 75% this week. So let's start with our first transaction for the $11 challenge. First, you're gonna grab some oral care. We're gonna do the Crest deal, which is buy two, get a $3 register reward in store. And you're gonna grab the ones that are $3.50 each. Then we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so you wanna make sure that you clip that. Next, you're gonna do the Colgate deal, which is buy two in store, get a $4 register reward, and they're $4.50 each. You wanna grab the cheaper ones here. Do not grab these. That'll put you over the $11 challenge. So here we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so you wanna clip that. So this is your first transaction. You're gonna be using a paper booster if you have one for spend 15, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Or if you already have $5 in Walgreens cash, this $11 challenge will work for you as well. So after all your coupons come off, you'll pay $10 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back a $4 register reward, a $3 register reward, and if you're using that paper booster, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash that we're gonna be rolling into our second transaction. So let's go check out those deals. For the next transaction, we're gonna be grabbing the Dove products. These are buy one, get one half off, buy two, get back a $2 register reward, and we have this 5 off 2 digital coupon that we're gonna use. Next, we're gonna grab the Axe body wash that are $6.29 each as well, buy one, get one half off, and you're gonna clip the 5 off 2 digital coupon. So this is your second transaction. After the coupons come off, you'd be left to pay $8.41 plus taxes out of pocket. You're gonna use the $5 in Walgreens cash and the $3 register reward from your first transaction. That'll leave you to pay 41 cents plus taxes out of pocket. You're still gonna earn back a $2 register reward, and we still have the $4 register reward left over from the first transaction. We're gonna roll that into our third transaction, so let's go grab those deals. Next, you're gonna grab some laundry products. So you can grab a variety of different products, completely up to you. You wanna grab one that's $5.49. So the Tide Pods, for example, has a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So you wanna check and see whichever one you wanna grab. Make sure you scan it on the Walgreens app and make sure that it has a $1 off 1 digital coupon attaching. That's the product that you're gonna grab for your third transaction. Another option you can do is grabbing 4 Febreze products. So the Febreze Air, the single ones, are 4 for $10. So you would pay the $10, but then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back each. Gives you $4 cash back. Makes your final cost $6 for 4 products, which is not a bad deal for Febreze. So this would be your third transaction. You have 4 Febreze Air products that'll ring in at $10. You're gonna hand the cashier the $4 register reward from your first transaction and the $2 register reward from your second transaction. You'll pay $4 plus taxes out of pocket, but then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $4 cash back. Makes your final cash cost only taxes for your third transaction. So let's go over all 3 transactions and our final cost. So these are all of the products that you were able to grab, which is actually $44.42 worth of products. But you paid $10 out of pocket, then you paid 48 cents out of pocket, then you paid $4 out of pocket. So you're at $14.48. Then you got $4 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cash cost $10.48 plus taxes for $44 worth of products, which is a 75% savings. That's how easily you can save money every single month on a variety of products that you need when you learn how to coupon the right way. I have a completely free masterclass where I'm teaching you how to master your monthly savings and how I saved over $445 last month using only my phone. No paper coupons, no newspapers, nothing like that. So I'll leave the link below for you in the comments or in the description box so you can reserve your seat. Another deal you can stock up on is Vanity Fair napkins. So this week they're on sale for $3.49. Buy two, you're gonna earn back a $3 register reward. Plus you're gonna clip the 50-cent digital coupon. You'll pay $6.49, earn back the $3 register reward. Makes it $3.49 for 2 packs or $1.75 per pack. If you like Quilted Northern, here's an amazing deal that you can do this week. So they're on sale for $6.99. Buy two, get a $3 register reward. I have a $1 off one and a 50-cent off one digital coupon on my account. So you would grab two. That's going to bring you to $13.98. Then you have the $1.50 in digital coupons. You'll pay $12.48. Earn back that $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $9.48 for 2 packs or $4.74 per pack. Quilted Northern is actually my favorite toilet paper, but it's quite expensive. So that's a really good deal if it's something that you like. We also have some really good deals on Banana Boat sunscreen. So here's one option. They're buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. You can grab 2 of these Kids Sport for $8.49. The second one is gonna ring in at $4.24. We have a $2 off one digital coupon that does work on this one. So you're gonna wind up paying $10.73, earn back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $6.73 for 2 of them. So not a bad deal. Always check for hang tags as well. So I just found this $2 off one for Banana Boat was on this after like moisturizing sun lotion. You can also do Hawaiian Tropic if you want instead, and there's $2 hang tags on all of these. I did check the expiration. They don't expire until the end of this year. Sorry, I'm using one hand here. There we go, the end of this year. So they are valid, you can use them. So what you could do is use the $2 digital, then you can use a $2 hang tag. That would make your final cost for the kids Banana Boat just $4.73 for 2 of them. So that's a really good deal. You can also save 50% on these expensive Olay body wash. So you want to grab the indulgent ones that are $12.99, grab one. We have a $3 off one digital coupon. Plus on Ibotta, you can submit for $4 cash back. Makes your final cost just $5.99, which is a great deal for the expensive Olay. Okay, we're back in from Walgreens. I actually did not buy anything today, which I know sounds a little crazy, but I wanted to come and at least share the deals with you guys, put together an $11 challenge for you so you can do some really easy deals this week if it's products that you actually need. I did not need any of these products this week. My stockpile's pretty full. I have plenty of hair care and stuff like that, so I wound up skipping it. There's no reason to just do deals to do deals. That is a mistake I made in the beginning of my coupon journey when I was trying to coupon at every single store and do every single deal. And I got caught up in the whole like, oh, it's 80% off though. Like, it's so exciting. Once you realize, yes, it's cool to save 80%, right? We love that. However, if it's not a product you're going to be using and it's just going to sit on a shelf at your house, you're still wasting that money out of your budget that you could have put towards a car payment, or you could put that towards your vacation fund or something like that. So always make sure you are couponing with a purpose. That is super, super important. Don't forget, if you want to take that completely free masterclass, I break down all of my secrets and how I saved $445 last month using only my phone. I have not used a paper coupon or printed a coupon in over 1.5 years because I want to show you guys how easy it can be when you learn how to do it the right way. So that training's completely free. Pick a date and time that works best for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.